Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Today's video we're going to be doing fried dumplings, so let's get into it. Okay, so let's start off by measuring our ingredients. We'll be using 4.5 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a tablespoon of baking powder, and half a tablespoon of salt. Now, guys, the trick with frying dumplings is you kind of have to get your measurement right, because if you don't add the amount of baking powder to the ratio of your flour, then you're either going to end up having fried dumplings that are too tough, one, or they're going to be too soft, two. And usually, if they're too soft, they're going to absorb a lot of oil, and then you'll be stuck with soft, oily fried dumplings, and we don't want that. Now at this point, we're gonna mix all our ingredients together, and once we've done that, we'll start adding water. Now be careful, you don't want to dump a whole cup of water in your mixture. We're going to gradually add water to our mixture until we get a nice consistency to start rolling up our dumplings. Another important point that I should have made is you do want your oil to be hot, but at the same time, not super hot. Because what will happen then is as soon as you add your dumplings to that oil, they'll start to burn. And then on the inside of your fried dumplings, your flour will still be raw. This is the easy part. Just go ahead and roll up your dumplings as if you were playing with your kids' Play Doh. It doesn't have to be perfect. So once we're done rolling up our dumplings, we'll go ahead and put them in our frying pan, and we'll leave them on this side for about 5 to 8 minutes. Now we'll fry our dumplings on the other side for about 5 to 8 minutes. Notice the crack on our fried dumplings. That's usually a telltale sign that the flour on the inside is still a little bit raw. But you don't need more than probably 2 minutes. So go ahead and turn your fried dumplings if you notice these cracks. And for no more than 2 minutes, let it fry on that side. Thank y'all so much again for sparing the time to watch this video. Please subscribe, share, and like the video, and we'll see you in the next one.